is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to Paws and Peaches. This is my little fun vlog that I have put together. Lately it's been a lot of travel, it's been a lot of sporadic posting, but we are back. I do have an 8-month-old, so things have been a little bit crazy. I'm back full-time at work, and I also run a reselling business, some thrifted finds, some bigger pallet liquidation items. So this channel is going to have a lot of travel and a lot of day-to-day stuff, but also we're adding in a bunch of unboxings, personal stuff, and pallets, liquidation items, etc. So I'm going to take you along on that journey. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button. That would really help me out with the algorithm. But in today's video, it is all about the Dior beauty unboxings. So for this one, I've got multiple packages. I did open a few of them because I could not help myself. They've been coming at different times. Their Christmas is always the cutest packaging, and they always throw in a lot of freebies around the holidays. So stocked up, Christmas gifts, etc. I did take a peek at their mini advent calendar, which was adorable. I'm not sure, I might end up keeping this one. It is now sold out. So as always, stick around. We're gonna get to opening packages, and if you see me changing outfits, it's because they all kind of came at different times. So I'm gonna try to get most of the unboxings in there for you. Stay tuned. Alright, so I did pull out some of the packages just to double check a few Christmas gift items, but here up first I wanted to show you, this is a gorgeous 2023 Christmas packaging and their boxes, and this is actually the candle set. This is their holiday collection of their candle set, and I apologize, I did get a new camera, so I'm trying my best to get to focus because I've been filming with an iPhone, but let's go ahead and show you. This is their limited edition candle set. You get whoops, that's upside down. You get 3 candles in this one. So let me show you what is in there. Okay, so this is just the sleeve packaging. This is their candle set. It is a magnetic closure box, and if you open her up, gorgeous, gorgeous packaging as always, which is what Dior does so well. They've got your little leaflets about the candles in there. I'm just going to take those out. But right here you can see, let me get the camera to focus here. You've got 3 different candles. I apologize. Here we go. Come on, focus. There we go. Alright, so amber candle, cannot pronounce that, and then you've got your other candle that are all from their like deluxe cologne perfume lines, but I can smell these from here and they are absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at that packaging. It is the same. Again, you know Dior does their artistry and their packaging really well. So this is the trio candle set. We're gonna get to the rest of the unboxings, and then we will show you what else we've got for the holiday collection. So this is the other box that came in. It came with a couple of freebies. I just opened it to double check. I was trying to figure out what I'm giving people for Christmas. I absolutely love this box. It is their holiday collection magnetic closure box. As always, Dior knocks packaging out of the park. Your order always comes in a little envelope. This particular box, I did get a little mini dust bag with some samples, which I'll show you. 2 ornament holiday collection sets with some minis. These were gifts with purchase. And then I also did get a Miss Dior, I think this is the EDT blooming bouquet sample in there. The other unique thing, and I don't always get these, is like a bigger dust bag, but it is in the gold foil like holiday collection colors, and it is on both sides there. But also this one came with the cushion because because the candles were in there, it came with the little cushion bag. So let's show you the samples, and then we'll open boxes 2, 3, and 4 because we've got a bunch of them. Okay, so excuse the mess. This is my office with all my reselling stuff. There's a bunch of baby clothes. But let me show you what's in these 2 little Christmas Dior freebies. So this first one has got a Miss Dior EDP. I had just showed you that we had the 5mm mini of the EDT. So that is always a fan favorite. That one's in that box. And then this other one I think is a lip product. If I remember right, I think it's red, a red lip product. So here's a little mini. It is the Rouge 999 Velvet lipstick. It is gorgeous. I'm not a gal that wears red. or feels that I can pull off red. But I know that this is a super popular one. So that was the other little mini giveaway and little ornament bag. Then there's the little mini Christian Dior dust bag, which was super cute. It's got 2 little perfume samples in there. We've got the Dior, just the little mini trial perfume, which I do like this one, but actually I like this one even better. So this is one, matches one of those candles. This is like that amber scent that's in their other perfume line. So that's all that's in box 1, and I'm realizing that I need to split this video up into parts. So maybe it'll be 2 parts, hopefully not 3, because I do have quite a lot of Dior orders. But before I split this video up, we're going to open box number 2. I'm going to show you their mini advent calendar, because I did not buy or get their very expensive full advent calendar. So that's coming up next. Let me get it out, because I have the mini advent calendar right here. And then I have a few more items that were in this second box. So we do have, this is Dior's mini advent calendar, and I have not decided if I'm keeping this or not, because this thing is gorgeous. Like, look at that packaging. If you're gonna leave this on your vanity, on a desk, it is absolutely stunning. And I really do think it is well put together. You got your little Dior golden symbol opening there. But again, it's a magnetic closure. And you've got your opening perfect. It's got their Dior coloring for the holidays. And you've got 4 little boxes there. So this first one, they're all little minis in there. Let me get them all out and show you what's in the 4 boxes. So this first one, you do have, this looks like this is the same exact lip product that I just showed you out of the ornament. And again, this is also like a storage box. So once you use these items, people collect these over the years. The other item that's in here that I actually know that people really love is Dior Prestige's Advanced Serum. So that is in there. It's kind of like a medium. It's not quite the total mini that you'd think it would be, but it looks like you could get some longevity out of that one, like it would last you a little bit. And then we've got, in the smaller little boxes in there, I think this is another Miss Dior. It's an EDT, just like one of the ones that I showed you earlier. So again, I know people really buy this for the box. It is such a collector's item. I think the one last year was really gorgeous too. And so the little final box in here has got your deluxe mini of the Dior perfume, and I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. But those are the 4 items that come in the little mini advent calendar. I do really like the packaging on this one. I guess I'm a sucker for that, which is really what I think you're paying for on here. Because again, there is your little advent box, and you could use this for all sorts of stuff. But it is a little cute addition. So I haven't decided yet if I'm keeping that one, but we're gonna put that back in the packaging in case I do decide that that's a gift for someone. Alright, so that was what was in this box, and I had pulled it out because I was trying to figure out who was getting what for Christmas. Again, their packaging, this other items that were in this one, I did get a little red velvet bag in there. This was what the box looked like. It did come tied with the signature Dior ribbon, and then it also came with another little ornament, which is just like the one you saw. It's the Miss Dior EDP in here. There was another Miss Dior EDT mini, and then I did get another bag of samples, which is, I get a lot of samples because I'm a platinum member, which if you watch my other shorts, you'll see what you get at the different levels. So here was a Dior, another perfume sample. This was that same Rouge 999 Red Velvet lipstick, and another amber perfume mini. So lots of little minis. This one I also did purchase. This is the Dior Addict lipstick case. This one is in white canvas, and I had bought this one for someone and they loved it so much. This is what it looks like. Super gorgeous way to jazz up your lipstick that you carry around every day. But they have them in different colors. This white one is a limited edition. So I did purchase that in this box. And the last freebie in here, because there was a lot in this one, is this little Dior collector's box with the Rouge Iconic Couture lip color in that red velvet. And then it's got the floral like lip care one in there. So cute little box, nice little packaging. That was box number 2. Let's find the next thing we're going to open. This video might cut off at some point because I need to try to make it not super duper long. But yeah, we'll keep going with the Dior unboxings. Alright, so this is going to be the last clip before I split this. There'll be a part 2 because I've got 2 more boxes and then I've got a platinum gift coming on the way for that one. So this last box I want to show you, if you've seen my YouTube shorts, you've actually seen this, but I think it's worth showing because people are always like, what do I get as the silver, gold, etc. Pearl member? So this was the gold gift. It came in this holiday packaging box. The only thing that was in there, and it was a cute little loyalty gift, was this little Dior box with a handle. And then when you opened her up like that, there were 3 minis right there. They do fall out. So there was the deluxe mini of J'adore, Rouge Red Velvet lipstick, and then a mini of that serum that was in there. So this was a cute little freebie gift for the gold level, I believe, and I might have it somewhere so I can show it in the next video. The bottom tier, which is it pearl? I think it's called, or silver. I think it's silver. So the silver gift actually was some minis and a Dior phone charm bracelet thing. I think it was a phone charm. I have it in a box somewhere because I don't know what to do with a phone charm with an iPhone. So we're gonna wrap this video up. Stick around. I will post part 2 in the next few days so that you can see what's in the rest of these boxes. And then I've got one more platinum loyalty gift that's coming. I'm super excited to show that to you, plus a holiday gift I think that should be shipping soon. But otherwise, please like, subscribe. Even if you just want to hang out, I truly appreciate the support, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah, thank you. Bye-bye.